about plumbing,
All right. Yeah.
not just in HVAC plumbing, but plumbing altogether.
It's kind of
And
general, yeah.
I've gained the general knowledge, and I want to continue learning and expanding my skills.
Yeah, so coming from like no construction background, I learned a lot, and I got a lot more confidence in using hand tools.
So my main goal is electrical because I have a zero knowledge. So I just want to learn the basic, terms how they works like that. So that's why I'm come here. So I learned quite long.
I would say it's really good school. It's really good start for the new people, and yeah, it's really helpful where you go to the real field. I'm pretty sure how the previous guy said it's really easy to get used to it.
I loved it. It was fantastic. You're a great teacher. I was
Thank you.
really focused at every time you were telling us, instructing us.
All right. Yeah.
Very interesting. My goal here was to learn more skills because I know everything in like residential houses gets broken, is maintenance.
Yeah.
It's always good to have new skills.